Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. Today I'm going to show you how to play Sweet Music Man by Kenny Rogers, and that's coming up. Yeah. Hey, it's Sharon, your guitar guide, helping you find your sound. And welcome to the channel. You're going to love this one because today I'm going to teach you how to play Sweet Music Man by Kenny Rogers. Consider subscribing and click the bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So without further ado, let me show you what chords are in this song. The D, E minor 7, and then the way to play it on this is just put your second finger right here on the second fret of the A, and you can strum all the strings. Then the next chord is A7. On the A7, we're going to put your second finger on the second fret of the D string, and your third finger on the second fret of the B string. You're going to strum from the 5th string down. That's A7. And then we've got a D. We've got a good old G. Second finger, second fret of the A. Third fret of the E string with your third finger, and third fret of the E string, first string with your pinky. Or you can play it with your first finger here, second, and third finger. That is so foreign to do that. They're all the same string, so whichever is more comfortable for you, do that. We've got an A chord. All 3 fingers on strings D, G, and B, all at the 2nd fret. Strum from the 5th string down. Then the last chord, and it's only played one part of the song, B minor. A bar chord. Okay. So on the B minor, we're barring at the 2nd fret from the 5th string down. Then your third finger is going to be on the 4th fret of the D string, 4th string. Right below that is your pinky on the G string, 4th fret. And your second finger will be at the 3rd fret of the B string. We strum from the 5th string down. And it's just going from from the B. It's only 2 beats. But I'm getting ahead of myself, so let me tell you the chord progression. Intro is D, and it's at a very slow tempo. D, E minor 7, A7, D, D, G, D, A7, and you can continue just strumming. It's down, down, up, up, down. when you get to the D, you could play an arpeggio. So you've got the D, you're making the D chord, and you're going to pick the individual strings. I'll count them. So it's 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we're going to do a D sus chord, the E string with your pinky. Then you go 2, 3, 4. So it's 4, 3, 2. Hammer on the E, 2, 3. So you do that twice and it goes strum, D, and the verse kicks in. So it's D, stay on the D, G, D, A7, A7, D, and then there's another verse, same as the first. We've got the chorus, which is G, A7, D, G, A7, D, G, A7, D, B minor, G, D, A7, D. So you're playing 4 beats of G, A7, D. Do it again. G, A7, D, G, A7, then goes D, B minor, G, D, A7, D. That right there is a little tricky to get a hold of. But practice just that part right there and you can do it. Then we've got the outro, which is D, A7, D, it goes C, B minor, A, D. Hope you liked this lesson. If you did, can you give me a thumbs up? Leave me a comment and tell me what is your favorite Kenny Rogers song. And don't forget to watch that video next. Thanks.